all this box back together again, I'm going to give it yet another smoke test. Earlier on I smoke tested it, but I just did it rough. I'm just going to mention again that these fittings I bought off Amazon, believe it or not, they're 1/8 BSPP, British Standard Parallel Pipe. It's puzzled me for ages what they were, because they're not tapered, but they're not metric either. So you can see I've got one stuck in here. That means that I can put my pipe straight onto there without any connections, and it will work, you see. So I'm going to set this going until we get some smoke coming out of it, and then we'll have a look and quick see what it's like. Let's see if it's got any liquid in. Oh, there she goes. It really does put out a lot of smoke, this little machine. Right, let's get that on. It'll take a while to fill up, and we're looking for little leaks. The machine will gradually slow down as it builds up pressure. So far so good. Now what I usually like to do is get a bottle of soapy water, see if there's any bubbles. I do this before I put it on the test bench, because now's the easiest time to do it. Ah, yes, you can see there is a leak, but it's not really important. Can you see here? It's just bubbling a little bit. I need to put some sort of a washer on there with an O-ring. I think I'll do that, and then we'll come back to this test. Well, I put a little copper washer on the back of there. I did it copper so I could solder it, put an O-ring on, and it's fine now. And our little machine down here, as you can see here, it's gone to 0, and it's pushing out, right, not 0 now, but it's pushing out about 12 psi in there, so there's no bubbles, there's nothing coming out of it. And when I take the pipe off, you'll see what pressure's in it. That's not going to leak, is it? Right, so, oh, haunting. I must give up smoking. So that seems to be alright. What I'm going to do now is, you know, blow it all off, get all that soapy water off, and I'm going to then get the test bench ready. But I'm not going to put it on the test bench straight away, because I've got that to clean out, and it's been very cold, and I've got to get the forklift started, so I'm going to do all that when it warms up a little bit. But for now, we'll get this on the floor. I'm happy with that box, but I want to put it through its paces for gears and things like this. But yeah, not too bad at all.